Hey y'all, welcome back to the pink envelope. This one's a little tricky. This is what our Dermy Doc box came in this time. This is because they sent us something extra cool inside and it needed a more flexible bag to hold it. The really cool bag they sent us needed a flexible bag. Look, it has their name on the front. Also, fabulous colors. Super, super cute. So this is Dermy Doc box Summer 2022. This is one of my favorite boxes. This is a skincare subscription box for adults. It is sourced and curated by a board-certified dermatologist. And she really kind of created it for those of us who, although we love Ipsy or BoxyCharm or any of those other boxes, they don't quite match the needs of our more mature skin. She also recognized that swapping samples, once again, once you have more mature skin, it doesn't necessarily work. You end up actually with a huge mess if you're swapping through a bunch of sample products. So she sends full-size products inside here. So I am a huge fan. I have been with them over a year. Love the products they send. If you're new around here, this is a quarterly skincare subscription. It is only $49.99 a quarter, free US shipping. If you want to give them a try, use the code THEPINKENVELOPE and you're going to get $5 off your first box. In each box, or bag in this case, you get 5+ skin and hair care products that are DermyDoc approved. She occasionally puts in samples for us to try as well, but she sends full-size products. Always 100+ in retail value, and then you receive a pamphlet that is actually written by DermyDoc, the dermatologist, on why she uses this product, how to use it, all of those sorts of tips and tricks, which I love. So let's take a peek of what's in here. I'm loving this bag. It's more mature. It's very chic. Inside, you always have this little booklet. The booklet talks about the products and then her tips and tricks, which is really nice. She also does share retail value so that you can literally add up the products of your box. So that's all in here. Down below, I have all of it itemized if you want to take a peek in there. Oh my gosh, you guys, this product right here, this is the Elta MD Skincare. It is a broad spectrum SPF 44, and this one is an actual tinted moisturizer. Let me tell you something. It says on here, all skin types and post-procedure skin. Here is what the bottle looks like. Okay, just hold on. I'll be right back. I just went and got this from my bathroom. I use this product line every single day. Whether I'm putting on makeup or not, I use it. It is a fabulous product. And let me tell you, this box is $49.99. I paid $50 a month to have this product shipped to me. This one product alone. That is so exciting that this is in here. So hold on, let's read her notes. This one is the UV Elements Broad Spectrum Tinted Face Sunscreen. Retail value of $38.50. And this tinted mineral sunscreen formula masks imperfections while shielding your skin from harmful environmental aggressors. Designed for daily use. Apply liberally before sun exposure. That is like all of the information from Elta MD. The DermyDoc tip, so like if you're looking here, I don't want to spoil the next product. So if you look here, you can see the information on the product, the retail value, then you see the DermyDoc tips on the product. This tinted mineral sunscreen is one of my favorite for a reason. It's formulated with hyaluronic acid to quench dry skin and avoids that dry, sticky sunscreen feeling. I can vouch that that is completely true. This guy, like I said, I use every single day. Now the difference in these two, let's see. Mine has a tiny bit higher SPF, and mine is, this is just the stage of life I'm in. Mine is built for acne-prone, rosacea, and hyperpigmented skin, which I don't even have the guts to put a raw image on here, how bad my acne rosacea is right here. It's just one of those things. So I am super stoked on this. When this runs out, I'm going to move to this. You can see inside the lid here, the tinted really does help. So like it gives just a little bit of color to your skin that you don't normally have. I am so freaking excited about this first product. Sorry, I'm supposed to be going faster in my videos, but that was a great, great first product to pull out. Okay, let's see what's next. Sheerglow Even Tone Daily Defense Mineral Moisturizer SPF 30. Oh, that is really pretty. Urban Skin RX. Unlike most mineral sunscreens, which can go on thick and leave a white or purple cast, this formula is sheer on diverse skin tones. It also contains sunflower seed oil to soften and soothe the skins without clogging the pores. Grapefruit extract is an antioxidant rich in vitamin C that helps brighten the complexion and I cannot pronounce Bisabolo. I have no idea. Bisabolol is a soothing antioxidant included in this formula. For deeper skin tones after application, wait an additional 3 to 5 minutes for absorption and sheer glow. That is another thing I love. She can talk to you based on use of the product. So if you've tried this before and you put it on and you have a darker skin tone, obviously I don't qualify for that, and you're like, that product didn't work. DermyDoc says, wait a little bit. It needs about 3 to 5 minutes to absorb and become sheer. How cool is that? Her summer boxes are always super great because these products have different uses, but the theme is protect your skin, which sunscreen in this case. What is this good? Oh, the Roche-Posay Prebiotic Skincare Double Repair Moisturizer UVF SPF 30. This stuff is amazing, 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 amazing. I have used this product a few times before. It has a retail value of $19.99. And DermyDoc says, patients who see me in the office know that this is one of my go-to favorite drugstore sunscreens. This formulation has a lightweight, non-greasy lotion texture, so it sits perfectly under makeup. But it's also packed with moisturizing agents like glycerin and ceramides to deeply hydrate. It combines your moisturizer and sunscreen step to save you time. I am a big fan of combining steps. You know, they're like the beauty people and they're like, put your sunscreen and then your moisturizer and then your tinted oil and then rub it together and put it on your face. For some reason, every time I try to make one of those mixes of all the wonderful things, I end up with like a grease pit of a face and stuff dripping down my neck. It just doesn't. It does not work. So, wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. I am about that. What is this guy? Brush on Block Lip Protective SPF 32. I'm glad she included this because I don't like putting that stuff on my lips because it always turns my lips white. So this is what it looks like. DermyDoc says, did you know that chronic sun exposure can damage your delicate pout? Skin cancers can even occur on the lips, and deep lines in and around the lips can show up over time with continued UV exposure. This product is perfect for both protecting the lips from UV rays while also giving a warm pink shade that is suitable for every skin tone. That's what I was wondering. See the bottom right there? See the coloring? That's why I was like, I want to open it. I want to see, does this have color? Because what did I say at the beginning? These turn your lips white and you look ridiculous. So I've been looking for a product that would not do that. Oh my gosh. It goes on just like a traditional lip gloss or lipstick. And it has a little bit of color to it, but it's still a very neutral palette, which would look normal and natural if you were at the beach. Because like who wants like bright red lips while you're swimming in the water? How cool is this? Oh yeah, it looks great on my skin tone. Wish I had some other skin tones to compare for you guys, but that's what it looks like on me. I am very excited about this. I'm also happy that it's a SPF 32. I feel like it's really hard to get a higher SPF on a lip thing. And growing up in a beach town, I very much can vouch for lip cancer going, I don't know, just unsuspected. Like people don't assume that's a thing, right? We put hats on, we put sunscreen and all these different things, but primarily in men down at the beach, they're not thinking about that. And we have actually had a couple of different family friends have lip cancer, and it's rough. And then you see like the really deep lines. I got a few, but most of mine are scars from playing soccer, not from the sun. But that will help prevent that. Okay. There is an Inner Glow Age Defense vitamin pack sample in here. So here is this guy. It is an Age Defense vitamin, $7 retail value. In addition to sunscreen, internal sun protection is now something that dermatologists recommend. I did not know that. Oh my gosh. I am not even going to attempt to read this because this is full of words and vitamin words that I could never pronounce. But it's sustainably focused, gluten-free, sugar-free, vegan, kosher, dairy-free, cruelty-free, all the frees. How very cool. And another thing I have not been sharing with you guys is...
Sorry, I'm having trouble hearing.
Siri's always up in our space. The DermyDoc puts coupon codes, so if you try the product and you love it, you can go get more at a discount. And I love that she does that. Also, while we were talking just now, I just noticed that this adorable bag is lined, you guys. Insulated, skincare, heat-resistant bag. You can put your sunscreen, your chapsticks, and all of those things in here, and they're not going to melt just because you're out by the water. Why have I never seen this type of bag before? This is absolutely brilliant. Did you know that your sunscreen can lose effectiveness in the heat? When your sunscreens are left out in the sun or in your hot car, the heat can cause the chemicals to break down and lose their efficacy much sooner than the expiration date. Use our limited edition insulated skincare bag to keep your precious products, including your sunscreen, lip balms, makeup, phone, and more, from the heat this summer. Oh my gosh, that is so brilliant. I am legit going to leave this in my car because I can put most importantly, my chapstick and everything year round in the car. It's 107 outside here in Texas. Like, we have to fight for what we can. This is that same material that I put in the windows on the sun, the sun shield things. And it has a pocket, by the way. So cute. Oh my gosh. So wait, what did we get? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 full-size products and the vitamins. There's over 150 worth of skincare in this box, DermyDoc said. And here's information on the vitamins. Here's information on the protective lip oil. And then a general breakout. She always includes one of these with like a hot topic on sun protection. So she talks about what is a UV sun ray? What is a UV index? How does UV radiation cause skin cancer? What about base tans or tanning with sunscreen on? What is SPF and what is UPF clothing? This is so good. So, so good. Something that if my parents had when I was younger, I probably would not have ever gotten melanoma. Yeah, now you see why I'm so passionate about this box. It has super real life application for me. Okay, if you've been looking for a box that is going to send a bang up deal of high quality products that are extremely applicable in your everyday life, I highly encourage you to check out DermyDoc box. Is it the most fun and sexy of topics? No. But if I would have made some key changes in my life following these rules years ago, I would not be strutting some of these scars that I have the privilege of strutting because I would have been protecting my skin like I should have been. So highly recommend you invest in your skin, your largest organ, with DermyDoc. I felt like a little commercial when I said that just now. Kind of felt cool. If you have a super cool, fun excursion trip, something planned, comment below. I would love to hear it. We don't have a lot of big things planned, so I would love to live vicariously through you guys and all your adventures you have already taken or you're about to take. If you have not already, please subscribe to the channel. We would love to have you hanging out with us. We are seeking, searching, and finding really cool subscription boxes, bringing them here, opening them together to see if you love what you are seeing. I hope that you guys have an absolutely amazing summer. And if you subscribe, I'm going to see you later. Bye, y'all.